Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make heart in a granny square. The stitches will be same as the traditional granny square. We are only going to alter the colors in order to bring out the heart shape in the granny square. The first two rounds will be same. The alterations will start from the third round. I am using an acrylic yarn and a size 5mm hook. Make a slip knot and insert the hook in it, followed by chain 4. Slip stitch into the first chain in order to form a circle. Then chain 3. This will be considered to be the first double crochet. Perform 2 more double crochets in the center of the circle. Then chain 3, which will constitute the corner of the square. Then 3 double crochets. Then again chain 3. In this way there will be 4 sets of chain 3s in total in this round, as there are 4 corners in a square. Perform the last set of 3 double crochets followed by chain 3. Close this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3. We are going to start the second round with a chain 3 followed by chain 1. Along the sides we are going to have chain 1 spaces. We are going to perform the set of 3 double crochets in a chain 3 space of the first round, then chain 3 and again a set of 3 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. This will constitute one of the corners of the second round. Chain 1 in order to go to the next chain 3 space. In a similar way, we are going to perform 2 sets of 3 double crochets with chain 3 in between them in the corners. Now in the last corner we are going to have 3 double crochets followed by chain 3 and then 2 double crochets. The starting chain 3 we did in the beginning constitute the third double crochets of the last set of 3 double crochets. We will close this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3. We are going to begin the third round with the bottom portion of the heart. So chain 3 followed by 2 double crochets in that same space. Now we are going to change the color of the yarn. We are going to make a slip knot and insert it into the hook. Now pull the knot through the loop, that is through the blue loop, and then chain 1. Tighten all the loops by pulling the yarns. This chain 1 constitutes the chain 1 space along the sides of the square. We are going to go to the corner chain 3 space and perform 3 double crochets followed by chain 3 and again 3 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Again, change the color of the yarn. Chain 1 and then go to the chain 1 space of the previous round and perform a set of 3 double crochets there. Chain 1 and go to the chain 3 space of the previous round and perform the corner of these 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Again, change the color of the yarn. Chain 1 and perform 3 double crochet in the next chain 1 space of the previous round. So we reached the top of the heart. So we will do a color change and repeat all the stitches we did. That is, we are going to do just the mirror image of the first half. the last set of the 3 double crochets of this round, chain 1 and slip stitch into the third chain of the initial chain 3 of this round. So our heart has been formed. We just need to do the last round. So our granny square is completed. In this way, we recreated a cute heart in the traditional granny square. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video till the end. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button below and comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and get updates of new videos. Thank you.